Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Free Training Program. In this program, you are being given training of technical analysis course from basics to advanced, absolutely free of cost. Friends, in this episode, we will learn the correct method to trade candlestick pattern evening star. It is very important to learn the different types of candlestick to trade or recognize any pattern. So before trading the evening star pattern, we need to learn how to recognize the candlesticks that are used in the formation of evening star. Friends, Doji star and Marubozo candlesticks are together form the evening star pattern. First, understand the Doji star candlestick. Friends, Doji star is also called indecisive candlestick. Indecisive, as the name suggests, a candlestick which is not a direction biased, neither bullish nor bearish. Price could not decide in which direction to go. So indecision, price closed and formation of Doji star candlestick took place. Now we will understand the Marubozo candlesticks. Friends, a bearish Marubozo and a bullish Marubozo candlesticks need to be formed to confirm the evening star pattern. Friends, Marubozo candlesticks are direction biased. That is, Marubozo candlesticks present bearishness and bullishness. Marubozo candlesticks are usually larger in size and Marubozo candlesticks have no wicks or Marubozo candlesticks have a smaller wick. Friends, this was a brief introduction about Doji star and Marubozo candlesticks. Now we will study the evening star pattern and learn the correct method to trade it. Friends, evening star is a bearish trend reversal pattern. Evening star converts bullish trend into bearish trend. Evening star pattern is applicable in all time frames. There are some rules which are very important to follow in order to trade the evening star pattern. Number 1, evening star pattern is considered valid only if there is an uptrend before the formation of evening star pattern. Number 2, we will only trade evening star pattern when the next candlestick is bearish after the completion of evening star pattern. If there is no bearish candlestick, then we will not trade evening star pattern. Number 3, the highest level of the evening star pattern will be the stop loss area. Number 4, we will not trade the evening star pattern without a stop loss. Suppose XYZ stock was in a strong downtrend, but there was a strong pullback and the short-term trend of the stock turned positive, and due to excessive buying a bullish Marubozo candlestick formed, but next day an indecisive candlestick was formed and very next day a bearish Marubozo candlestick was formed and evening star pattern formation was completed, and very next day evening star pattern has given breakdown and a bearish candlestick started forming. This is the entry point. You have to initiate the trade and put the stop loss to the highest level of the evening star and ride the trade until a bullish trend reversal signal is received. Friends, along with the knowledge of trading evening star, it is also very important to know when not to trade evening star pattern. Suppose evening star did not break down after completion of pattern, next day a bullish candlestick formed, then you will not trade but you can wait for breakdown by placing stock in watch list. But if price breaks high of the evening star pattern, if it closes above the highest point, then you can remove the stock from watch list because evening star pattern has failed now. Evening star pattern is not valid, but till evening star pattern breaks its high, evening star pattern is valid. You can wait for the breakout. Friends, evening star pattern has some secrets. Evening star pattern can have more than one Doji stars. Evening star pattern is valid even if the evening star pattern has Doji stars 2, 3, 4 or even 5. The bearish Marubozo candlestick in evening star can be smaller or larger in size than the bullish Marubozo candlestick. If the size of the bearish Marubozo candlestick in the evening star is smaller or larger than bullish Marubozo candlestick, still evening star pattern is valid. The bullish Marubozo candlestick in the evening star pattern can be smaller or larger in size than the bearish Marubozo candlestick. If the size of the bullish Marubozo candlestick in the evening star pattern is smaller or larger than bearish Marubozo candlestick, the evening star pattern is still valid. There can be more than one bullish Marubozo and a bearish Marubozo candlestick in evening star pattern. Friends, now on real charts you will be given some examples of evening star pattern so that you can compare imaginary charts with real charts. Friends, in this chart, after a proper uptrend, a bullish Marubozo candlestick was formed. Next candlestick Doji star and again next candlestick Doji star was formed. You have already been told Doji star can be more than one. Still evening star pattern is valid. After that a bearish Marubozo candlestick was formed. Evening star pattern formation was completed. Then breakdown and evening star pattern done its job. In this chart, after a proper uptrend, a bullish Marubozo candlestick was formed. Next candlestick Doji star, again Doji star, again Doji star and again Doji star candlestick was formed. As I said before, Doji star can be 4 or 5. Still evening star pattern will be considered valid. Next candlestick bearish Marubozo was formed and again bearish Marubozo candlestick was formed. You have already been told that bearish or bullish Marubozu candlesticks can be more than one. Still, evening star pattern is valid. Next candlestick given breakdown and evening star pattern done its job. In this chart, after proper uptrend, a bullish Marubozu candlestick was formed. Again, bullish Marubozu candlestick was formed. You have already been told that Marubozu candlesticks can be more than one. Still, evening star pattern is valid. Next, Doji star candlestick was formed, and again, next candlestick Doji star was formed. You have also been told there can be more than one Doji star. Still, evening star pattern is valid. Next, bearish Marubozu candlestick was formed, then breakdown, and evening star pattern did the job. In this chart, after a proper uptrend, a bullish Marubozu candlestick was formed. Next candlestick Doji star, and again next candlestick Doji star was formed. You have already been told that Doji stars can be more than one. Still, evening star pattern is valid. Then bearish Marubozu candlestick was formed, and evening star pattern formation was completed. Then gap down opening, and evening star pattern did the job. In this chart, stock was in a strong uptrend. Then a bullish Marubozu candlestick was formed. Then next candlestick Doji star was formed, and very next candlestick bearish Marubozu was formed, and evening star pattern formation was completed. Then breakdown, and evening star did the job. Friends, in this episode we have learned the correct methods to trade evening star pattern. In next episode we will learn the correct method to trade bullish engulfing pattern. As you know, this is the episode number 4 of the technical analysis course. If you haven't studied episode number 3, please watch episode number 3. The link is available in the description and in I button. Because this course is episode wise, so every episode is important for stock market terms and training. So please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss new updates. If you have any query about this content, please drop an email. For free tips, please join our Telegram channel. Link is available in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.